Today's video is going to teach you a skill that I wish high school taught me. Time management. And in today's video, we're going to go into how to use Google Calendar as a teen or young adult so that you can effectively plan your day. Because the first step to achieving any goal is having a plan. And the first step to a productive day is planning your time. Step number 1, what do I need to do every single day? I have to go to school, so you're going to click and then drag down and put from whatever time you have school, so 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m., school. Now you go here at this little button before you click save that says time zone. Click, drag down to does not repeat. Click that every weekday. So now you see that every weekday, school repeats. But on Saturday and Sunday, it doesn't. Let's go back here. Now, after school, do I have any responsibilities? Maybe you have to watch your siblings, but I had a job at the time. So we will say after school job. Again, if you work every weekday, you can click that. If you only work certain days, you can make a custom schedule, or you can put daily. Usually, I worked every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There we go. Now we see after school job also repeats every day. So, when do I need to be at work? I know where I need to be and I know what I need to do. So, how long will it take me to get to work? Let's say it takes me 30 minutes bus ride. Again, we're going to set that to repeat every weekday. And if I want to go to the gym and I want to go for an hour, I have to put that on the schedule too. Again, set it to repeat. And just for the sake of simplicity, let's say it takes 30 minutes to get to the gym. Go to gym. So now we have what time we go to school, the travel time to go to the gym, the bus ride, our after school job, or any responsibilities you have. So this could be what time you go to tutoring. This could be watching your younger siblings. Any after school responsibilities. Now we also have what time I'm going to go to bed. I went to bed at 10 p.m. and I wake up at 6:45 a.m. So we have that on the calendar too. And I have to be on the train by this time I usually got on by 7 a.m. so I could be at school that time. Train ride. We'll put train ride there. Again, click repeat every weekday. So now we have what time we go to bed, what time we have to wake up, our morning routine, then we have time for the train ride, school, go to the gym, actually work out, bus ride, after school responsibilities. So we have 9 p.m. until 10 p.m. and that is open. So this could be time where you maybe watch TV, homework, or whatever else you're going to do with that time. And that is how to use Google Calendar to plan your day as a high school student. We have when are we waking up, morning routine, go to school, go to the gym, work out, bus ride, after school job. Now, you don't have to do these exact things. This is just an example to show you that when we feel like we don't have enough time, we probably just haven't planned it. Because as you can see, on Saturday and Sunday, we don't have anything planned on those days. We have all of this available. This could be time where you hang out with your friends, you study, you watch a movie, you go to the gym. You have a lot more time than you think. But once you start putting it on a schedule, you see that, oh, I actually do have time. I just need to plan it. With that said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, I usually make very motivational and inspiring content, but I realized through DMs and people messaging me that a lot of people need to know how to manage their time, and unfortunately, school doesn't teach this. At least mine didn't. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.